Hi, Tina here. Did you ever have a recipe that you were like, what is milled hemp seed and how do I get it? Because at the stores I can't seem to find it. You can have it as simple as having a little Mr. Coffee grinder. I got this specifically for this, grinding any kind of like hemp seed or flax seed, and it was like $16 or so. I'll put a link below on the Amazon that you can get this, and it's just cheap, it's inexpensive, and it works super quick. So I'm going to show you how to do it really quick and easy. I have my hemp seed. All I do is, now these are just seeds. I got this on Amazon as well. And let's say you're just doing a quarter of a cup. You just dump it right on in there. Go ahead and put the lid on and push down. You just pulse a couple times, 1, 2, 3, and you are done. There you go. You have your hemp seed that is milled and it's all ready to go for your recipe. Can do the same thing for flaxseed as well. Nice, quick, easy, simple. Get it on Amazon. Click the link below. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below and we'll catch you around. And make it a great day.